guys, welcome to another video. Today I've got an unboxing of this new nuvac. So I've got Adam with me today as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's open it up. So this one is quite a new one. Well, it is new. 22nd week of 2019. This one. So yeah, let's unbox it. So a bit of tape there. Hopefully this does have the integrated parking bracket on the back of it, well, like the NRVs, but if it doesn't, I'm not too fast. Just trying to open it not to damage the box. There we go. So yeah, this does look very nice.
Very
so
nice.
Brand new tools, they can stay in the packet. I ain't opening those.
I like that floor,
Here we have the new style.
No, trust me, the angle on that is a pin.
New style floor tool.
Trust me, the angle on that is a pin.
Yeah, we'll give this a go, see what it's like. But yeah, new style floor tool.
Oh, it's got a new nose end. See the one that's rounded.
Oh yeah. We've got some aluminium ones. And this one, it's got the old style suction valve on this one.
That's
weird.
That's
really
new
weird.
style hood.
Yep. We've got this tiny short little hose with this very weird rounded kind of hose end. Looks a bit like a Kerr star one actually. So we've got that.
Looks mad cheap.
It does.
That's got an old style switch, I think. Does it?
It doesn't have the bracket.
Yeah, it's got an old style switch.
Does it? Oh yeah, that's good. So let's just wind the cable in a bit. And put it out of the box. Here it is. And then in there we have the manual vnr200, which we don't really need to want to look at.
I don't know how to use it.
Manual. No spare bags with this either, so Numatic is skimping there. Stingy gets. So yeah.
Right, the wheel's got
Quite nice that. Quite like that.
How shiny the base is.
Yeah, the base is well shiny. Filter.
Red
And got a bag with red collar on it. So
that's weird. It's got an old suction release and thingy switch. Right, it's from this year.
hang on. Look how dirty the back of the base is. Look.
It's got like grease on it.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that looks like a lubricant they use in the lid.
Yeah. Ugh. That'll clean off though. That should clean.
Let's just see underneath if there's any box in it.
Oh,
the base is a 2016 one.
Is it? Oh wow. Cheap buggers.
This base is proper old. It's like 3 years old now.
Base is 3 years old. Weird. But yeah.
Got a new sticker on it with a shield number.
Yeah. So this is my first new Numatic of 2019. A bit sad it doesn't have the parking bracket thing on the back, but oh well. It was between one of these and an NRV, and I thought, why not? I'm going to get the nuvac because it's 2019 and I've got a 1989 nuvac, so 30 years. And these tubes, they look well different, don't they? They look.
Coating looks a bit more weird.
They look like a fleck in the coating.
Yeah.
So
like they look a bit more shiny as well.
yeah.
I hope the new ones, you know, like the old ones, they don't mark up.
Yeah.
Like, trust me, the angle of that head is stupid.
Is it? It's a bit.
I hated them for words when I had them. That's what I sold them.
Yeah. Ow. That was my toe.
Personally, I hate nuvacs and NRVs because I've had about 40 of them in the last 2 months.
Right. Plug it in. No on and off light. Very simple. For some reason, these are nearly as much as a Henry. I paid less for my Henry compact than I did for this, and my Lewis actually. I paid less for my Lewis than I did for this, but oh well.
I've got nothing with it though, that's the thing.
Exactly, but oh well. Let's give it a go. Right.
I should have got my 2003 nuvac before.
Yeah. Yeah, that works quite well, that.
The hoses on these are a pain in the arse as well.
Smells a bit carbony. It does.
I like that smell.
And yeah, It's alright. That wobbles about like anything. But yeah.
Like, see with them, yeah, the strains on the bracket. See on the newest ones?
Yeah.
The parking bracket, the strains on the brush.
Yeah. But yeah, there we go. There is the 2019 Numatic Nuvac. So, I hope you've all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.